So what is the difference between hair replacement and hair restoration anyway? Hey folks, this is Ronnie from addinghair.com. We're a consulting firm that helps hairstylists and salon owners offer hair replacement services. So one of the things we get asked all the time is what's the difference between hair restoration and hair replacement? Hair restoration is a surgical procedure, whereas hair replacement is a non-surgical treatment that can be offered by a hairstylist or a barber. Let's talk about hair restoration for a second. The most common type of hair loss is known as androgenetic alopecia. It's also known as pattern loss. What happens there is you lose hair within a pattern, usually in the front and the top. Usually the hair around the sides of the head and the back is usually fine. But the hair follicles within the pattern are the ones that are affected. With hair restoration, what they do is they take small grafts, including the hair follicles from the back and the sides, and move them to the area of need. Now that procedure has improved a lot over the past 30 or 40 years. They used to take a strip of tissue and divide that up into 1, 2, or 3 hair grafts, but it used to look pluggy like a doll's hair. Now it looks almost undetectable. The problem with it is there's usually not enough hair back here to give people the cosmetic result they want. Most people don't have enough hair back there to transplant to give them the look they want. The only way they can really get that is if they use hair replacement. Now, with hair replacement, the only bad news is it's not your own hair. It's essentially a synthetic scalp that has hair injected into it that kind of looks like your own head. That's bonded to the top of your head, and voila, you look like your hair grew back. That's what we teach over at Adding Hair. In every market, there are a lot of people that are interested in having hair replacement because they can't have hair restoration. They don't have enough donor hair, or they're not a good candidate for the procedure. That's why the Adding Hair program exists. If you have any questions, stop by addinghair.com. We'll tell you more.